The African Charter on Human and People's Rights, also known as the Banjul Charter, is a human rights treaty adopted by the African Union, formerly the Organization of African Unity, to promote and protect human rights across the continent. It covers a wide range of rights, including civil and political rights, as well as economic, social, and cultural rights, and emphasizes the interconnectedness of individual and collective rights. Key features. 1. Broad scope. The Charter includes provisions for non-discrimination, equality, life, personal integrity, dignity, freedom from torture, fair trial rights, freedom of religion, expression, association, movement, and political participation. 2. People's rights. It uniquely recognizes people's rights, such as the right to development, a healthy environment, peace, and self-determination. 3. Collective rights. It acknowledges the importance of community and the interconnectedness of individual and collective well-being. And 4. Enforcement mechanisms. The African Commission on Human and People's Rights monitors implementation and investigates complaints, while the African Court on Human and People's Rights provides judicial review. Landmark cases and examples. 1. Curtis Francis Derber vs. Sudan, 236-2000. The African Commission ruled that flogging students in Sudan violated Article 5 of the Charter, which prohibits torture and cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. 2. Ogiek case, African Court. The African Court ruled that the Kenyan government's eviction of the Ogiek people from their ancestral lands violated their right to development and self-determination under the Charter. 3. Norbert Zongo case, African Court. The African Court ordered the reopening of the investigation into the murder of Burkinabe journalist Norbert Zongo, highlighting the importance of accountability for crimes against journalists. 4. Right to a fair trial. The Charter's provisions on fair trial rights are considered incomplete by some, and the African Commission has addressed issues such as the right to legal aid, access to an interpreter, and the right to appeal. And 5. Equality and non-discrimination. The Charter's non-discrimination clause has been used to address issues like gender inequality and discrimination against indigenous peoples. Overall, the African Charter serves as a vital framework for promoting and protecting human rights in Africa, with a unique focus on both individual and collective rights, and has been instrumental in addressing a wide range of human rights issues through its enforcement mechanisms. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.